Hi there, thinking of building your own Shopify dropshipping store from scratch? Hold up, that might be the worst business move you can make. Here's why, and how one expert named Andrew is helping people skip the struggle and start making real sales faster. Let's be honest, the Shopify ads make it sound easy. You set up a store, import a few products, and boom, you're making money while you sleep, right? Wrong. Most new dropshippers waste months trying to build a store that actually converts. They spend hours tweaking designs, struggling with apps, writing bad product descriptions, and burning cash on traffic that goes nowhere. In fact, a huge percentage of dropshipping stores fail, not because of the idea, but because the execution is sloppy. Poor design, slow loading speeds, trust issues, all because the store was built without real experience. Now, meet Andrew, a top-rated Shopify expert on Fiverr. He's not just some random freelancer. Andrew specializes in high-converting Shopify dropshipping stores built for real-world sales. He handles everything: store design, winning product research, app integration, optimization for mobile and speed, even writing compelling product descriptions. Whether you're brand new or looking to scale a second store, Andrew builds strategic dropshipping setups that look professional, load fast, and inspire trust. All the things that make buyers buy. Why you should hire Andrew instead of doing it yourself. You could spend the next 3 months trying to figure it all out yourself. Or, in less than 10 days, you could have a ready-to-launch store built by someone who's already created dozens of successful dropshipping shops. Here's what Andrew brings to the table. Speed. Your store can be ready in days, not weeks. Mobile-first design, optimized for today's customers. Strategy. Built based on what's working right now in dropshipping. Unlimited revisions, so you're 100% happy with the result. And let's face it, in 2025, the competition is fierce. A cookie-cutter store just won't cut it. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what Andrew's clients are saying. Andrew built a beautiful store that made my first sale in 48 hours. I wasted months trying to do it myself. Andrew saved me so much time. I gave him my idea, and he delivered exactly what I imagined, but better. Andrew doesn't just build stores. He builds confidence for people who want to launch the right way. Every week you wait is another week of missed opportunity. Product trends move fast. If you're serious about launching a Shopify dropshipping business that actually makes money, you need to build it the right way from day one. And that starts by working with someone who knows the game inside out. So stop wasting time trying to figure everything out yourself. Click the link in the description below and reach out to Andrew today on Fiverr. Click the link below to view Andrew's Fiverr profile. Check out his packages and message him directly. Let him know what kind of store you want, and he'll take it from there. Get a store that sells. Save time. Do it right. Click the link below and order your premium automated dropshipping Shopify store or get a free consultation with Andrew.